Now let's delve into exploratory data analysis course. Here we will be exploring and looking into the various topics or contents that we are going to cover in this course. So here basically I have made this course into different sections, around 6 to 7 sections, and each section we will be dealing with certain uh, topics. So begins with the first section would be we will be looking into the various components of structured data, various data types inside the that is made up of a structured data. And then later we'll be going to the rectangular data. Then once that is done, then we'll be looking into the various estimates of location such as mean, median, mode, depends upon the type of data, depends upon the type of variable. And then after that we will be looking into the variability of data. So I call it as estimates of variability. So once that is done, then we'll be exploring the data distribution, proper data distribution, how the data has been distributed. So that's what we are going to do. So once that is done, we will be exploring the binary and categorical data, because that is a special data, and most of the data we get it is also categorical and binary data. So that's the reason that's very important to deal. So that would be the next section. Then after that, the most important uh, is a correlation, looking into the correlation, how they are correlated, two variables, how they are correlated. That we are going to look into. That next section would be correlation section. After that, we'll be exploring two or more variables together. So these are the sections we are going to cover in this. So anyhow, we will get into our first section for now.